When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550. The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.
How do you get primary custody? People come and ask. I tell you who primarily asks me that, to use the word primary a lot, but is dads. Dads come to me with the misconception that the courts are biased against dads. I don't believe that. I think there was a time, probably even 10 years ago, when the courts carried a bias like that. I think those biases are gone. I think most courts in our counties, Travis, Williamson, Bastrop, and Hayes, and the counties right here, I think that bias is gone. What courts look for, it sounds trite, but they really are trying to dig for what's in the best interest of the kids. And the obvious things are, if mom is moving around a lot, if mom has mental health issues, serious mental health issues, not just depressed, but there's documented mental health issues. Mom has CPS history, has been investigated for abuse or neglect, documented, not just because somebody's accused them of it. And or domestic violence. I mean, if you've got issues like that, those are the obvious things where dads can win primary custody. What's important is when a dad comes in and the scales are more balanced. Then you start looking into the more nuances of the situation. Now what you're looking for are the aids and the needs of the children or child. Is there a child or a kiddo that's got special needs versus kiddos who don't have special needs? Are they in school, out of school? How far apart do the parents live? You look for the cooperative ability of each parent to work together. You're looking for the kind of evidence that I can expose the other parent for not cooperating with the other parent. Small things, examples like that might be not disclosing school schedules for activities like concerts or soccer or games or events. So it's disclosed too late so the other parent can't go, or doctor's appointments or things like that. You start trying to expose those kinds of nuances to the case, and at the end of the day, the courts are really looking for those kinds of things. Who is the more stable parent? Who is the more permanent parent? At the end of the day, what I always ask clients is to evaluate, why should the judge trust you with these children?
When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550. The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.